nails. And I will, sorry, I just hit one of my foil in here, but it's okay, we're gonna use them anyway. So here for 30 seconds. Can't read the message. Did I put it down too low? Hold on.
Oh, probably like the message was copied.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, I'll move the nails up a little bit, small only. Yes, darling. Sorry about that. Which one is finished? Okay, 30 seconds. This one, our nails are completely done. So beautiful. We did like super cute theme for spring look. I can't wait for the spring coming. I have little piece of this. I'll get it cut from one of the solids collection. Just give me hold that collection, please. And there's so many different colors. I can't wait to share all of them. But I get one piece out from that. Just let you know. Crinkle it. Just a little bit. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can hold piece. But I just want a little hint of it. I don't want a whole piece. You're using it too much. That's it. I don't want too much. If you want more, you can always fold it like bigger crease, so then you can have more effects on, I think. Great. I just want that's a hint of it. Look at that. So now we're gonna go into using our condensed glue gels. Let's do some cool crystal placement on this one. I'm so excited. Hope everyone have a great can you focus? Okay, great. Blend them really nicely because this one is a thick density. I am going to float the no white top coat on to the top of my condensed glue gel. Try to float on the top. Don't pull the condensed glue gels because then you might accidentally contaminating them. So it's really cool though. Either you are, I'm gonna use this one. Super cute. Super, super cute. I'm gonna do that's cute. What is that? Metal metallic. I love this. They're so cute. So here, come back to crystal placement. What is the best way to do the crystal placement and make it easy and how you are not messing them up? The closer the crystal you place together, the better, the longer they're gonna last. So if you place them, unless you place them a different, like my nails, like spread it out as the SS4 small right here, they're totally fine. But if you want to do like a placement like the jewelry, so it means if the closer you get the closer, the tighter the crystal together, the longer it's gonna last, and usually it creates an amazing look for you. And then I'm gonna add some beads on it. If you want more crystals on, you can absolutely bling this nail completely. But I want to share some cute looks for springtime coming, so you get an idea to show it with your clients and get ready for a spring. Really good. If you want more, you can add more. But I'm gonna do one more right here. And I'm gonna do one more right here. Great. And I think I might do one more frames. I couldn't find a gold one in my front, but I'm gonna use the silver. It's okay, we can mix silver and gold together. It looks great. Like have a combination of gold and silver. I can't wait to see you sharing it and show it off. Don't forget to tag us at Glitz Accessory and such, so then we can feature your beautiful nails. Missing one. How am I not getting it? Oh, too far. Oh, I get it, but then it was there, but I didn't get to see it because I'm too far away. Great. If I'm happy with this, I'm pop this in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And we're using some precision glue. Let me adjusting just a little bit because I'm away from a nail, so I don't get to seeing it. I'm just adjusting the crystal right here. Just one more. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna answer your question. Great. I think it looks good. And hold on. Can I get a piece of paper? Please, thank you. Tip and trick before you pop in. Wipe it up on the edges, so then that way is remove excess glue gels in top coat, so then when you get your nails out from the LED light, it stay nice and precise. Great. Can you put it, be careful please, so then it won't look good. All right. Great. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in tonight. We did good. We did 4 nails today, everyone. So awesome. So now we're trying to switch it a little bit, and we'll change it to a theme for you. So at least you have 4 designs. If you need to do the design completely using our inspiration, you can have like whole entire spring theme, St. Patrick theme, or any theme. So then you won't feel like you only have 1 nail to look. Want to do like at least 4 look. Let me see. Let me answer the question on this Instagram, this Facebook. What did you, Moria, where did you get the stone and the triangle tray? Moria, you can get it from our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And I will send the link right here for you. Great. Charity, no, just start to learn how to do my own nails and practice on my own daughter when I can. That's awesome. That's awesome, Charity. Okay, do you draw anything like that? You mean drawing, like drawing flowers and stuff like that. I do some of them. I'm gonna using precision glue. We have a lot of like drawing simple roses, simple, really easy. It's pretty easy for beginners. I have quite several of the live video, and the video also up on YouTube. Jessica, you can review this, or if you see some of the stuff, you can send it to us. If we can't able to do that tutorial, we will absolutely do it. I am checking every edges of the crystal right here. Is be careful because I don't want to squeeze too much of precision glue that gonna might flood my crystal. So I'm really be careful in checking it. With the frame and metals, it's okay for you to get over it because it doesn't affect those. But if you have your crystal, I would be a little bit cautious because you don't want them to cover on the top of your crystal. It take away from the shine. So now, after I squeeze just enough amount of my precision glue, I am going to try to cleaning up and make it really nice and flawless, much as possible, or else after you cure it under the LED light, it's gonna be lumpy, bumpy, so we don't want that. So it's great. I just blend them out. Like I said, when we do makeup, which we're blending to make it looks good. All right, I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and this now are completely done. But if after the clients are cure, when you make sure that you tell them to rock the fingers back and forth so then they can cure underneath of the metals, metallic, or on the size of any crystals. So then that way it's gonna keep the designs last so much longer. Like that. Tonight we did good, everyone. Thank you so much for the amazing support and tuning in. Thanks, Mirandy. Which color collection of nail stud did you using? What collection? The collection is which collection nail stud did you using? This one, you mean? This is metal tribal art. Let me get it right for you. Is if you go to Glitz accessory and such, and then you searching on it's gonna be under the section of metallic art. You're gonna see a lot of different cool, stunning like metallic art. So it is called a metallic tribal art mega mix. You mean this one? This one is metal metallics art. So then when you go into sections of metal art, you will see this one. Also, you will see the tribals, the one I have it on my nails. I freaking love this. I'm never like not falling in love with this because sometimes if you see my nails, a lot of going on, like a lot of chromes, like so much going on. This is make it freaking balance the designs out. Because in earlier I was thinking of like, oh, should I put all the bling on? And it's too much bling on. I love it, but then I will hate it because it doesn't go well together because this have so much going on underneath, which is the chrome. And then so I was like, oh, I love this because, you know, sometimes I wear a whole entire set like this. And I still have my crystal, which is like my mini tiny little triangle, the crystal here. So it kind of, just kind of bling it up, but it's not freaking crazy. So I love that how I got to share with you because then it's just like look like an art, you know, it's not like just pie all the crystal on. Thank you everyone for tuning in tonight. And if you have any question, always can call us 206-771-5086. Have a great night tonight. I will definitely will see you tomorrow